This is the story. Do you know that starting a building construction in Delta State without a town planning approval is illegal and is subject to demolition? You know that today. So this is done so that the buildings will be in line with the town planning laws and regulations. So if you started a project without a town planning approval, and then your house will most likely be demolished. As where sometimes you go through some streets, you see where they mark XTP. This house doesn't have approval. And when they are seriously coming for you, that house is going down. So before commencing that your new project, or starting that your building construction that you have in mind, go get your town planning approval. Hope you learned something today. See you on the next one.